everyone, and welcome to a new video of Exquisites Land of Love, yay! And today we were exploring, I guess, or whatever, and, oh, looks like we're still here. There's a cougar in the water, or a panther, actually. Yeah, panther. Panther in the water, swimming along, and a bird. Yeah, I realized that the different birds in Mo Creatures, like the different colors, have different sounds. Maybe you're like a crow or a raven. It's just so raven. Anyway, oh, I'm really laggy. That's what happens whenever I pull out the recorder. Suddenly, my computer just goes wow, literally, with a whopping 9 FPS. But anyway, so today we're gonna go exploring, and we're almost to the location I picked out for our upcoming home. This is gonna be really pretty. Let's just keep going there. Oh my gosh, my bag is getting so full. I'm trying to conserve it. I can't do anything with the full bag. Oh, I can get rid of. I'm getting rid of things. I still have Cookie. I'm stored in this pet amulet, because I don't want her getting hurt. Because I feel like, especially in a rainforest, she's definitely gonna. Oh no! Wait. See, this is exactly what I mean. I don't think it's really safe place for Cookie to live with all the panthers, jaguars, boars, raccoons. Oh yeah, the raccoons will. Raccoons will. It's creepy. See, there's just a perfect example over there. 2 leopards. This didn't even mention sharks in the water. No sharks, piranhas. Oh yeah, I've seen a few piranhas. I've been getting attacked, as you can tell by my health. I'm running out of food. I need to get like a little farm going. I have a corn seed. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with corn. Almost there. Yeah, see where they're. If you look at the map, you see that green arrow? I'm gonna go towards that, and I'm almost there. Why is the grass looking so sickly? You see the grass? It's like becoming sickly. It's so weird. The grass is like dead. No, climate change? Oh, yeah, it does this whenever new terrain generates. We're in like fresh, very fresh terrain. Okay, just above this mountain on the horizon. We're there. So yeah, this is a beautiful rainforest, right? I thought it was like a lush forest, but no, it's a rainforest. And it's so pretty. I'm gonna gather some flowers, some roses. It's just so pretty. Actually, let's just go up this mountain. I don't know if I want to build my house in the rainforest. I feel like, especially with Cookie, it's not safe. Because, you know, the first Cookie. Let's just not talk about the first Cookie. Yeah, this is Cookie 2.0. So, how pretty this is. We're not exactly there yet. I think we're like almost there. Oh my gosh. Seleg. I think I'm not zoomed out properly. Okay, so this is all the land that we get. Yeah, this is it. Why am I so fucking funny? Okay, are you sure this is the area? Because last time I checked, this wasn't the area. Actually, no, it was a little bit further. Yeah, okay. Oops, okay. Yeah, these are the exact coordinates to the location. So right here. This is a really pretty area. I really like it. I'm sorry about the lag. Okay, oh no. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm pressing random keys. Okay. Look at this. This is just a really pretty area. It's getting dark, so I think I'm gonna need to get bed. I have my bed in my inventory, right? So I can just keep going to sleep and then I can get by. Get by. Goodness. And did I want to live here? I mean, there's just so many good locations. I mean, while exploring for a location for my home, in Test Worlds, I mean, I found some really good areas. But this is by far the best one, this rainforest here, with the other forest in the back. And there's a creeper going. Okay, we need to go to bed. Sleepy time. Okay, if you right-click the bed, it'll set your spawn point, though I don't think that's always the case. Okay, here we go. Bedtime. Yay, bedtime. Here we go. Alright. FPS is a little lacking. Oh, well that's because we have notifications on. Just turn that off. I don't care if there's anything to do. I don't know if y'all can see that, but hopefully not. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I make sure to clear everything, have the least amount of things open, just so that the performance is a lot more best, I guess. Yeah, like I said, this isn't a really good location because of all the leaves, and the leaves make it a little bit laggy, but I think we manage. We do okay. We do okay. It's a really pretty horse. It's a pretty. It's an all black horse. This is one of my favorite horses from Mo Creatures. I think it's this one, and then one that is brown with a stripe on its head. Kind of like Boomerang. Yeah, Boomerang spirit. Okay. So I guess we'll just chop down some trees. It looks like there's a bit of decay going. What happened? Or there's just random saplings that's dropping so near the rainforest can grow. Okay, let me go and set up camp. I should set up camp here. But this forest is really pretty. I'm gonna build a little shack here. Funny, and maybe this open out area right here. Y'all don't think it's a good location for my home. I mean, I just like don't want to destroy it because it's just so like really pretty, you know. It's a really pretty area, and I don't want to destroy it, you know. You feel my pain. Okay, anyway. Okay. You're right here. Maybe. Yeah, I'm just desperate to have a home of something. It's going to be a little bit of a shorter episode just because I'm lazy. I think we're going to build our home here. Oh, I'm going to build my home here. I'm going to build my home here. Yeah, I guess while we're here, let's get some resources. The trees, I don't know, they seem a little bit taller than usual. I reckon we explore around the area a little bit before we set up camp here. I mean, I could change my home at like any given moment because of how good the areas are. I mean, I really do miss the first location that we were in the first few episodes of the series, but you know, we do okay. Look at the mushroom, the overgrowth. It's just really, really pretty. Oh wow. I really like this area. Okay, so let's go over here and get some dandelions. Dandelions right here. There. Here. Dandelions. Yeah, I really like that other area I was at. Maybe I could like build a little like oasis, kind of like a house or something, like a little like cabin or something like that. Like maybe like a vacation home, you know what I mean? Where's that other area I went to? Oh, look at that! I found a new kind of dandelion. New species. Look at that, they're like a literal retexture of it. Oh man. Finding subspecies. Purple violets. They're like dandelions. We have other kinds of flowers. Tulip, magenta rose, oleums, gerberas, purple dandelions, and yellow dandelions. There are other cutesy colors of dandelions. These even give the right kind of dye, like how dandelions give purple dye or yellow dye. Oh, they do give purple dye. Okay, awesome. Let's get these. Let's go gather these. I'm not going to take them all just so they can regrow themselves. Jeez, I'm finding fruit trees. Oh man, it just feels like there's so little. And again, there's so much, like, to discover. You know? Attacking, flesh-killing boars, fruits, new kinds of flowers to collect. How do I get this? I don't understand. I don't think it's ripe yet. It doesn't look ripe. Oh. I guess he saw me taking his food. Run! And there's a tiger, and there's snakes. Okay, maybe this isn't the best place to build a home. Now, thinking about it, maybe it isn't. Maybe it isn't. No. It sounds like a paradise, doesn't it? Oh. Ew. What is this? Let me zoom out. Ugh. It's some kind of, like, swamp, and, like, I don't know. Weird. There's, like, lily pads in the ground. Okay, well, maybe that's not the best place. But I like that first area I was in. I'm in episode 3, at the end of episode 3. It's a really good location. God, the lag is really kicking in. Man. It wasn't near as bad before. If you don't mind. It's not that bad. I'm used to it. I mean, I can't record. It's not like I can record this on my good computer. I have to record it on my computer from 2015. So, I mean, even then, I don't know how people ran these versions back then. Because if my computer can't handle it from 2015, I don't know how y'all's can. But again, it's a little bit of an older thing. You look like Cookie the Bunny. Distant relative? Are you a distant relative of Cookie? How pretty this forest is. Again, I don't think I can. All these trees are like custom. I can't properly. Ooh, specimen gathering. I want a good picture of this. We got willow. Oh, this must be some kind of like swamp X forest kind of thing. Like I said, I want to go to that first area I was in at the start of the episode because that was a really pretty area. Yeah, right now I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just exploring, gathering specimens of plants and flowers. It's so boring to all of it. Oh, daisies! Oh my gosh, oxeye daisies. I need some oxeye daisies. Got a garlic seed. Really good for you. I clear anything. I'm so bad of storage. Let's get the arrows. I have to have the daisies. Oxeye daisies. It's so pretty. Let's go and gather the daisies. This is really pretty. Gather daisy. It's really pretty. Daisy. I know they're called wild parsley blooms, but just ignore it. The names are broken. I'm gonna fix that, but it's not really a bad issue. Is that like a dove? It's like a white bird. You're like sent from the heavens. So pretty. Okay, what does this give? What does a daisy give? White dye. It's light gray dye, just like the actual flower. Wow, I love this area. Oh, wow. This is just awesome. Well, anyway, I'm gonna end this episode today, and we'll go exploring again and looking for a proper home. Love this rainforest, and I just love this whole area. And I will see you next time. Goodbye. Yay.